YouTube, what's going on? Kevin the Tech Ninja here, and today we're doing a speed test between the Note20 Ultra and the S20 Ultra. Spec-wise, they're very similar. The S20 Ultra has the 865 processor, whereas the Note20 Ultra has the 865 Plus processor, which could lend to some faster speeds. We'll have to see. You know, both phones do have 12 gigabytes of RAM on board too. This speed test will be launching a series of applications back to back while the phone is connected to the same Wi-Fi and also on high performance mode. The phones are set to full HD resolution and 120Hz refresh rate, and both phones were rebooted and apps were cleared from memory. Without further ado, let's take a look at the S20 Ultra in this first speed test. The first thing I'm going to show is high performance mode being turned on and all the apps cleared from memory. Now I'm going to reboot the phone. Now once the phone turns back on, we're going to go ahead and check the memory one more time just to make sure there's no apps lingering in there. And then we start the test. I'm launching each application. As the application fully loads, I then go back to the home page and then go on to the next app. Of course, doing a test like this, there could be some human error. So I did run the test 3 times to ensure that this test wasn't a fluke, and I did a reboot between each attempt. Also, if I made a mistake in one of these tests, I started completely over. So the S20 Ultra ended up at 1 minute and 15 seconds. And then after running this test 2 more times, I ended up with very consistent results. So 1 minute and 15 seconds stands. Next up is going to be that Note20 Ultra. Same deal, high performance mode, all apps cleared from memory, phone is on Wi-Fi, and a fresh reboot. Out of the gates, the phone felt exactly the same, but in my head, I'm saying, hey, it has to be faster. It's rocking the 865 Plus processor. So going through the test, I kind of felt like it was going a little bit faster. I did end up at the exact same time, 1 minute and 15 seconds. Although the 865 Plus is a 10% more powerful chip, I had to do some research to kind of figure out what is happening, but it's 10% more powerful for gaming and AI applications only. So seeing the same speeds in this test is actually expected. If this was a gaming test or an AI test or anything like that, I would see a difference, but just for general navigation and using the phone, there's absolutely no difference. For fun, I did launch some apps in memory at the same time just to see if there's any difference as far as apps closing in the background. As expected, both phones behaved the exact same way. It is the same amount of RAM, so I didn't expect that to be any different at all, but I did want to test it and show you guys the results. Anyways, guys, make sure you subscribe for more speed tests, and also the full review will be coming out in a few more weeks as I use the phones for about a month before I do my review. Anyways, guys, Kevin the Tech Ninja here. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.